coming to you from my kids' bathroom with the enzyme-powered stain and odor removal miracle that is the Norwex Laundry Booster. I'm going to show you how this works using Randy's equipment. I have his consent. Okay, so I also added his cycling kit to this mix, just another one I wanted to touch on. So you're soaking for 30 minutes, give it some time, then you're going to rinse, launder on a hot setting, and hang to dry. So this is what I would call an extreme case. Very dirty water like that. You're gonna drain it, rinse it all off, and perhaps another 3 scoops, another 30 minutes. Do it twice. Definitely still murky water, but way more within the range of what you want to see happening. So you're gonna drain this out, rinse everything off, and throw it in the washing machine.